Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve it's not working on your device. To know how to fix or how to solve it's not working on your device on Facebook app, you should just go to settings. Here you can click apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list you will enter to Facebook and you can click here in this page. As you see in this page of app info, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention. Goodbye.